Thinking about making the switch from a tub to a shower? You're definitely not alone. Many homeowners are curious about the cost of a shower installation, Kitchener-Waterloo. After all, a modern shower can add both functionality and style to your bathroom. If you're living in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, you might be wondering if local prices align with your budget. The good news? This article will explore the factors that influence the cost, such as materials, labor, and design options, so you can make an informed decision. Converting a tub to a shower isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about improving accessibility and maximizing space. In Kitchener-Waterloo, where homes vary from traditional to modern, the demand for customized showers has grown significantly. Whether you're looking for a luxurious spa-like experience or a practical, easy-to-clean solution, understanding the cost breakdown is crucial. We'll delve into the local market trends, average pricing, and even some money-saving tips specific to the area. So, if you're ready to transform your bathroom and boost your home's value, keep reading. This guide aims to equip you with all the necessary information to budget wisely for your shower installation project. Understanding the costs of tub-to-shower conversion in Kitchener-Waterloo. Converting a tub to a shower in Kitchener-Waterloo can greatly enhance the functionality and aesthetic of your bathroom, but it's important to understand the associated costs. The price range for this renovation typically varies between $3,000 and $8,000, depending on several factors such as the choice of materials, the complexity of the plumbing work, and any additional features you might want to include. Homeowners should consider both the immediate costs and the long-term value this upgrade can add to their property. One of the primary cost determinants is the type of shower installation you choose. For instance, a basic acrylic shower stall is generally more affordable than a custom-tiled shower. Additionally, the condition of your existing plumbing can influence costs. If your plumbing system requires significant updates to accommodate the new shower, this can increase the overall expense. It's also worth noting that labor costs in Kitchener-Waterloo are competitive, but can vary based on the contractor's experience and expertise. Ensuring you hire a reputable contractor is crucial to avoid unexpected expenses and ensure the quality of the work. To help manage costs and make informed decisions, consider the following tips. Plan ahead. Establish a clear budget and prioritize your must-have features. This will help you avoid overspending and focus on what matters most for your renovation. Choose materials wisely. Opt for durable, mid-range materials that offer a good balance between cost and longevity. This approach can save money without compromising on quality. Get multiple quotes. Obtain estimates from at least 3 local contractors to compare pricing and services. This will give you a better understanding of the market rate and help identify the best offer. Consider DIY for minor tasks. If you're handy, consider doing some minor tasks yourself, like demolition or painting, to reduce labor costs. Check for local rebates. Occasionally, there are government or local programs offering rebates for eco-friendly renovations, which can help offset costs. Factors affecting shower installation prices in Kitchener-Waterloo. Converting a tub to a shower is a popular renovation choice for many homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo, but the cost can vary significantly based on several factors. One of the primary considerations is the type of shower system you choose. Prefabricated shower kits are often less expensive than custom-built showers, as they require less labor and materials. However, custom options allow for more flexibility in design and can better accommodate unique bathroom layouts, which might be worth the additional investment. The condition of your existing plumbing also plays a crucial role in determining the overall cost. Older homes in Kitchener-Waterloo may require plumbing updates to meet current building codes, which can increase expenses. Additionally, if you are considering upgrading your fixtures or changing the location of the shower, additional plumbing work will be necessary. It's essential to have a professional evaluation to understand these potential costs up front. Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys can provide a comprehensive assessment to help you budget effectively. Material choices are another significant cost factor. Tile, for instance, varies widely in price depending on the type and quality. While ceramic tiles are generally more affordable, Natural stone tiles or high-end glass options can raise costs significantly. It's also important to consider the cost of labor, which can fluctuate based on the complexity of the installation and the experience of the contractor. Given these variables, it's advisable to get multiple quotes from local contractors to ensure you're getting a fair price. Consider opting for a prefabricated shower kit to save on installation costs. Ensure your plumbing is in good condition to avoid unexpected expenses. Get multiple quotes to compare prices and ensure competitive rates. Choose materials that fit your budget, but also enhance your bathroom's aesthetic. Consult with professionals like Kitchen-and-Bathrenoguys for a detailed project estimate. Budget-friendly tips for tub-to-shower conversion in Kitchener-Waterloo. Converting a tub to a shower in Kitchener-Waterloo doesn't have to break the bank. With smart planning and a few strategic decisions, you can achieve a beautiful and functional shower installation without overspending. Whether you're in Kitchener, Waterloo, or Cambridge, there are several ways to ensure your project remains cost-effective while still enhancing your bathroom's aesthetic and utility. One of the first considerations is the choice of materials. Opt for durable yet affordable options like acrylic or fiberglass shower bases and walls. These materials not only reduce costs, but also offer easy maintenance and a sleek look. Additionally, consider reusing existing plumbing fixtures if they are in good condition. This can significantly cut down on labor costs and reduce the overall budget for your tub-to-shower conversion. Choice of materials. Select budget-friendly materials such as acrylic or fiberglass, which are both durable and cost-effective. They are readily available in the Kitchener-Waterloo area and offer a variety of design options. Reuse fixtures. If your existing fixtures are still in good working order, consider reusing them. This not only saves money, but also speeds up the installation process. DIY where possible. Simple tasks like removing the old tub or painting the walls can be done as DIY projects to save on labor costs. However, always hire professionals for plumbing and electrical work to ensure safety and compliance with local codes. Shop local sales. Keep an eye on local hardware stores in Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge for sales and discounts on bathroom fixtures and materials. This can help you find quality products at reduced prices. Plan your layout. By keeping the new shower layout similar to the old tub setup, you can avoid costly rerouting of plumbing and electrical systems. By following these budget-friendly tips, homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo can transform their bathrooms with a stylish and practical shower installation. Remember, careful planning and a little creativity can go a long way in making your dream bathroom a reality without overspending. Choosing the right shower style for your Kitchener-Waterloo home. When planning a tub-to-shower conversion in Kitchener-Waterloo, selecting the right shower style is crucial for both aesthetics and functionality. Your choice will influence not only the overall look of your bathroom, but also the project's cost and the ease of installation. Consider your home's style, your family's needs, and your budget when deciding between options like walk-in showers, corner showers, or alcove showers. Each style has its pros and cons, so it's essential to weigh these against your personal preferences and the specific layout of your bathroom space. Walk-in showers are a popular choice due to their modern look and accessibility. They are ideal for homeowners looking to create a spacious and contemporary feel in their bathroom. However, they might require more extensive waterproofing and tiling, which can increase costs. Corner showers, on the other hand, maximize space in smaller bathrooms and can be more cost-effective. Alcove showers fit into a three-walled recess and can be an excellent option if you're looking to replace a bathtub in a similar space, as this can minimize plumbing changes and reduce expenses. Consider your bathroom layout. The existing layout will influence your shower style options. For instance, corner showers work well in smaller bathrooms, while walk-in showers are better suited for more spacious areas. Think about accessibility. If mobility is a concern, opt for a walk-in shower with a low or no threshold to ensure easy access for everyone. Factor in maintenance. Glass enclosures and tile work can look stunning, but may require more cleaning and maintenance. Consider materials that balance aesthetics with practical upkeep. Consult local experts. Engage with Kitchener-Waterloo renovation specialists who understand local building codes and can offer tailored advice based on regional trends and requirements. Set a realistic budget. Assess your finances and prioritize features that align with your budget. This will help you avoid overspending while still achieving a beautiful and functional shower space. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When considering a shower installation in Kitchener-Waterloo, understanding how costs vary across the region can help you budget more effectively. In Kitchener, many homes, especially in its older wards, were built before 1960. These properties often require updates to plumbing and electrical systems, which can raise conversion costs. On average, converting a tub to a shower in Kitchener may range from $4,500 to $8,000, depending on the extent of necessary renovations and upgrades. In Waterloo, the housing stock consists mostly of homes built post-1980. This more modern infrastructure tends to result in fewer unexpected surprises during renovations, leading to a more predictable cost range. For a shower installation in Waterloo, homeowners can expect to spend between $3,500 and $6,500. The relative newness of the homes often means less need for extensive plumbing or electrical updates, allowing for more straightforward conversions. Cambridge presents a unique mix, particularly in its historic cores such as Galt, Hespeler, and Preston. These areas feature many century homes where the charm comes with the challenge of aging systems. Consequently, the cost of a tub-to-shower conversion in Cambridge can be on the higher side, ranging from $5,000 to $9,000. The need to address older plumbing and electrical systems can significantly impact the budget, but the result is often a beautifully updated bathroom that retains the home's character. Consult with local contractors who have experience with the specific challenges of older homes if you're in Kitchener or Cambridge. Consider a home inspection before beginning the project to identify potential issues that could affect costs. Look into any local rebates or incentives for energy-efficient installations, which can help offset initial expenses. Request detailed quotes from multiple contractors to ensure you understand what is included in the price. Plan for potential contingencies, especially in older homes, to avoid budget overruns. Frequently asked questions. Q. What is the average cost to convert a tub into a shower in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. The cost to convert a tub into a shower in Kitchener-Waterloo typically ranges from $3,000 to $8,000. The final price depends on factors such as the choice of materials, the complexity of the installation, and any additional plumbing work required. Custom designs or high-end finishes can increase costs. It's advisable to get multiple quotes from reputable local contractors to find a pricing option that fits your budget. How long does it take to complete a tub-to-shower conversion? A standard tub-to-shower conversion in Kitchener-Waterloo usually takes between 3 to 5 days to complete. The timeline can vary based on the project's complexity, the availability of materials, and any unforeseen plumbing issues that might arise. It's important to work with experienced professionals who can provide a clear timeline and minimize disruptions to your daily routine during the renovation process. Q. Are there specific permits required for a tub-to-shower conversion in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. In Kitchener-Waterloo, a tub-to-shower conversion may require a building permit, especially if it involves plumbing changes or structural modifications. It's essential to check with your local municipal building department to ensure compliance with local building codes. Hiring a professional renovation company can help navigate the permit process, ensuring that all work is up to code and avoiding potential legal issues. If you're considering converting your tub to a shower in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, let Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo help you turn your vision into reality. With expert service and competitive pricing, our team is ready to provide you with a seamless renovation experience. Whether you're looking for a quote or want to book a free estimate, call us today at 226-894-0234 or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca. Explore our full range of services, including kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, and check out Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google to see our customer reviews.